having 7 segment. We will using 4 switch, which is inverted started letter D, C, P, and A. Now, in 7 segment, we'll be using the 7 segment. Then we'll be using IC with the number code SN74 LS48N. Then this here. Then let's put here where this is we'll be using to insert the pins. Start with the letter A, which is connected to pin number 7. Here, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins in our IC. Then letter B in pin number 1. Then and letter C is pin number 2. Then in letter D is in pin number 6. You can see we have 3, 4, 5, which doesn't have pin. The number 3 and 4, which is connected to positive charge. Then our pin number 5, which is connected to our ground. Then we have here in the upper side 9, 10 to 15. That is we will be using connect in 7 segment here. First we put this connector here. So you can see here we have 9 to 15. As you can see we have 7 segment here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where we will be using 7 resistor to control the electric charges. Here 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. First we have number. We start with here number letter E to E, F, E, D, C, then B. This is here, the purple is letter A, then G, then F. So we have connected here. Ilalim naman is we'll be using to connect in our 7 segment. Here, then here, and here. Start with this color yellow. F is connected to pin number 2 in 7 segment. Then G is connected to pin number 1. Then A is connected to pin number 4 here. Then pin number letter B is pin number 5. 6. Then letter C is pin number 4. And letter D is pin number 2. And E is pin number 1. You can see here we have no pin in number 3, which is connected to ground. Now let's test it kung gumagana siya. Now let's check our truth table. 0, 0 equals to 0. Then 0, 0, 1 equals to 1. You can see number 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 0. As you can see, it's number 2. Then 0, 0, 1, 1 equivalent to number 3. Then 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 equivalent to number 4. Then 0, 1, 0, 1 equivalent to number 5. Then 0, 1, 1, 0 equivalent to number 6. Then 0, 1, 1, 1 equivalent to number 7. Then 1, 0, 0 equivalent to number 8. Then 1, 0, 0, 1 number 9.